Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let us see question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? See here friends, there are two bits in this question. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? This is the first bit. And what would be the temperature at midnight? This is the second bit. Now let us see the solution. Okay friends, it is given that temperature at 12 noon. Temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees above zero. 10 degrees Celsius above zero is nothing but plus. So plus 10 degrees Celsius, since above zero values are always positive. So it is plus 10 degrees Celsius. And it is also given that it decreases 2 degrees Celsius per hour. That means 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 1 hour. Then 1 degree Celsius is equal to, this 2 comes down. So it is 1 by 2 hour. If it decreases 2 degrees Celsius per hour, it is 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 1 hour. Therefore 1 degree Celsius is equal to half an hour. Now number of hours taken to reduce temperature from the 10 degrees Celsius above zero, that is plus 10 degrees Celsius. See here, plus 10 degrees Celsius. And 8 degrees Celsius below zero, you all know 8 degrees Celsius below is always represented by a negative integer, so it is minus 8 degrees Celsius below zero, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Therefore temperature to be reduced is equal to 10 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. See, this is 10 degrees Celsius till 0, and from 0 till minus 8 it is 8 degrees Celsius. So this 10 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 plus 10 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degrees Celsius. Therefore we got the total temperature, it is 18 degrees Celsius. Now it is asked to find the number of hours, required number of hours to get 18 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature is equal to 18 degrees Celsius, or 18 into, see here, 1 by 2 hour, 1 degree Celsius is equal to 1 by 2 hour. So 18 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degrees Celsius into 1 degree Celsius, nothing but 1 by 2 hour. So it is 18 into 1 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So it is 9 into 1 by 1. 9 into 1 is 9, by 1 is nothing but 9. So it is 9 hours. Therefore required number of hours to get 18 degrees Celsius is equal to 9 hours. Therefore it is asked the timing. So 9 hours after 12 noon is 9 p.m. If you count, we get 9 p.m. So it is 9 hours after 12 noon is 9 p.m. By 9 p.m. the temperature would reach to 8 degrees Celsius below zero, nothing but minus 8 degrees Celsius. So by 9 p.m. the temperature would reach to 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see second bit, that is what would be the temperature at midnight. Therefore the temperature at midnight is nothing but 12 a.m. We already know temperature at 9 p.m. What is the temperature at 9 p.m.? It is minus 8 degrees Celsius. See here, by 9 p.m. the temperature would reach to 8 degrees Celsius below zero, nothing but minus 8 degrees Celsius. So here it would be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now temperature at 10 p.m. What is the temperature at 10 p.m.? Minus 8 degrees Celsius plus of minus 2 degrees Celsius. See here friends, minus 8 degrees Celsius plus of minus 2 degrees Celsius because -8 is the temperature at 9 pm and -2 is temperature per 1 hour. So we have taken 9 and 10, so it is 1 hour. So -8 degrees Celsius plus of -2 degrees Celsius, here -8 degrees Celsius plus into minus, here plus into minus is -2 degrees Celsius. So it is -8 degrees Celsius -2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus and minus, we put the minus and we have to add the integers. 8 plus 2 is 10 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at 10 pm is -10 degrees Celsius. What is our target? We should find the temperature at midnight, that is 12 am. We have found it at 10 pm. Now let us see 11 pm. What is the temperature at 11 pm? Now the temperature at 11 pm is equal to -10 degrees Celsius, -10 degrees Celsius plus of -2 degrees Celsius. -10 degrees Celsius is the temperature at 10 pm and -2 degrees Celsius is decrease in temperature per 1 hour. So we have taken 10 and 11, therefore the difference is 1 hour. Now -10 degrees Celsius plus into minus, here plus into minus is -2 degrees Celsius. So it is -10 degrees Celsius -2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus and minus, we put minus and we have to add the integers. So it is 10 plus 2, it is 12. So it is -12 degrees Celsius. Now let us see the temperature at 12 am, that is midnight. Therefore the temperature at 12 am is -12 degrees Celsius. So here it is -12 degrees Celsius plus of -2 degrees Celsius is -12 degrees Celsius plus of -2 degrees Celsius. So -12 degrees Celsius plus into minus is -2 degrees Celsius. So -12 degrees Celsius -2 degrees Celsius is minus 12 plus 2. We have to add the integers. So 12 plus 2 is 14 degrees Celsius. Therefore the temperature at midnight is -14 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Celsius below 0. Is it clear, friends?
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.